Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA. Cardano continues to be, in a bit of an ambiguous pattern overall. Just to take a little bit of a look at the longer time frame chart, this is unchanged from previous videos. My view is still that back in 2018 we had a wave 1, we came down in a wave 2, a long correction. We should now be, as per this scenario and model, we should be in the third wave to the upside, which is normally the most bullish wave. But within this third wave then, we are obviously in a certain sub-wave, because the wave 3, which is the yellow one, consists of 5 waves. And we have here a wave 1. This was the peak at around 250 in May 21, and we're coming down in wave 2 at the moment. My view is this is not yet over. I think we should see one more low on the ADA chart. It's just not moving up enough for that. It's hovering around the 30-cent mark, and you will remember how important the 30-cent level was for me. And now for days we've been moving around this level. So it's a highly relevant level, not without reason. I've been looking forward to this level. The next move up should be ideally a wave 3 in green. There will be a wave 4 and a wave 5 to finish off this wave 3 in yellow. So all of that is sort of part of this scenario. Target for the wave 3 in green, that would be the next all-time high target. The most imminent one would be around $4.50, maybe slightly lower than that, $4.20 to $4.50. In this current pattern here where we are, we obviously, as I said, this was a wave 1 in my opinion. Then we came down in an A wave, moved up in a B, and come down in a C at the moment. This is important because ABC, this pattern, is a corrective pattern and would be part of a wave 2. So the wave 1 would therefore be finished here. This is important to know where to measure the key Fibonacci levels from. And then we've got your wave A down, which is part of a corrective pattern, and overshooting wave B, which is hard to identify, and then a wave C to the downside. So this wave C consists of 5 waves. We are currently in these 5 waves. Wave 1 here, around 180 that was. In October 21, we moved up in a wave 2, came down in a wave 3, then we had this long sideways movement here. But within that we had the wave 4, and we're now coming down in this 5th wave. And this 5th wave is, in my opinion, ideally, and there are various interpretations possible, ideally this is an ending diagonal in a wave. 1 already done, 2 already done, 3 already done, 4 already done, and we're now in the 5th wave. This could come down a bit lower, no problem. So if we take a look at here the length of the wave 1 and we measure ideal targets, the one ideal target here was the 1-to-1 ratio, the 30-cent level. That's why it's so relevant. This is important if I measure it like that. So 30 cents, that's one explanation why I had the wave, the 30-cent level as important level, but also because it's the 88.7% Fib level of the larger cycle. If we zoom in now, the question is this wave 5 already over? So of this ending diagonal in wave 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, is this yellow wave 5 of the larger wave 5 already done? Answer here is very clearly it could be. It could be because in this where are we? In this yellow wave 5, I'm just going to show you because it's a bit messy, but I'm going to show you here the overall wave count for this wave. Let me just think. So one possible option where we could say, okay, the low was actually maybe in, is that we, from this wave 4 high at 44 cents, we came down in an A wave, we moved sideways in a triangle in a B wave. A B wave can be a triangle, no problem. And the wave C was just here a short 5-wave move down, where we bottomed out at just around 30 cents. And since then we've been moving up, we haven't made a new low. Technically the low could be in. Do I find it likely? No. So primary expectation is actually, yes, we came down in A, we moved sideways in B, and we're now coming down in C. So primary expectation is here the yellow count. I know it's a bit hard to see. Doesn't matter really. I'll take that side. Let's take that out. Yellow count would suggest that in this C wave, we've done only the wave 1, we've done the wave 2, wave 3 would be next, target around 26-27 cents. There will be a wave 4 and would come a wave 5, maybe around 22-23 cents. So not a problem. That would be the primary expectation. Why is this actually the primary expectation? Why is not the let's say the blue count, the bullish breakout count, the primary expectation? It just has to do with the fact that honestly, since we hit the low, and it has been a new low, we haven't really seen a massive reaction. So not a lot of buyers. Just shows the market is sort of fed up. And for example, let's say Ethereum looks much more impulsive. This here doesn't look aggressive at all. Yeah, it looks kind of aggressive, but rather to the downside. So for me, the move up here, which I have labeled as a possible wave 1, something I'm purely observing, not something I am looking at in terms of, okay, this could be primary expectation. This here looks too corrective to me. Yeah, I mean, it could be a leading diagonal, which would then be part of a valid uptrend, but these patterns are largely unreliable. So wave 1 up, yeah. Then here A, B, C, and the C wave would be a 5-wave move. Would only work if we assume this was a truncated wave. It's the next problem with this chart. Truncated wave normally only valid if we see strong upside afterwards. So far I can't see that, so nah. I'm rather looking for one more low. We can explore more upside if we get above 33 cents. I said that in the previous videos. Here, maybe we have a truncated low and maybe we're already moving up, but then again, what should this be? This could be another 1-2 here. Then this would have to be the next 1-2. It's getting unrealistic already, so I'm rather looking at more downside here shortly. Okay, and the signal for that would be a break below the 30-cent level. Then we will retest most likely 29.5 and will then come down to that 26-27 cent range. And that's currently where we are with ADA. Hope you like the update. If you like to support More Crypto Online as a channel and would like to support our stake pool, which is still very new. Yeah, we're still in the process of finding the first blocks. Yeah, so we haven't generated any rewards, but the stake pool is really only like 2 weeks old. So bear with us, please. Yeah, it's new for us as well. But if you like to support the channel, if you like the content, and if you like to support More Crypto Online to grow, then feel free to delegate your ADA to the MCO stake pool, and you can earn passive ADA with your ADA. And you can do that by following the instructions in the videos that you can find in the description. Plus, you can find a link to the stake pool below as well. Perfect. So hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.